Hello everyone, my name is Vincent Burse and I have a level here where what I was able to do is I'm able to get this entire level to spin 90 degrees. So everything here, it's actually parented to this, I'm going to do to the bottom right here. Everything's parented to this. So now what happens is when I hit this trigger box, now the reason why it's so long right now is so I don't end up glitching outside of it whenever it spins. So I'll have to figure out how to make it where that doesn't happen. So basically what I do is when I touch this trigger and I hit the E button, this entire thing is going to spin 90 degrees. Now I'm going to show you a small problem here. Alright, so it works, it does, but this is what happens when it does. I'm going to have to go all the way over here because the trigger's way out here, and I'm going to hit the E button. Alright, so everything spun 90 degrees, but notice it happened in an instant. I don't want it to happen in an instant. I want it to slowly rotate 90 degrees for 5 seconds. I have no idea how to make that happen. Here is the blueprint. Let's go over here. Alright, so the trigger. The trigger is the blueprint, so the blueprint's attached to the trigger. Let's go here to level, find and level blueprint. Alright, so here it is. Here's the trigger. So you begin the overlap of the trigger. It will enable the input being E. When you're not touching it, disable the input being E. And so the target of that is the player controller, so that's your character. So when you are in, it'll enable the E button. Well, once you hit E, it'll play the timeline. The timeline will then rotate it 90 degrees based on yaw, and it'll go to this little sucker right here, which is set relative rotation, and the target being cube 24, which everything is parented to. Open up the timeline, and at the moment right now I have 0.1 set at 0 and 0.2 also set at 0. I have absolutely no clue, no idea how to fix this problem. I'm hoping someone out there can help me out here because this is frustrating. I have having a very similar problem with another level here. Now in this level I have a door. This door is going to open up 90 degrees. So let's play. And the blueprint is actually, it's basically the same. Only the blueprint is attached to the door, not to a trigger. So I go up to it, I hit E, and nothing happens at first. When you hit it the first time, nothing happens. Have no idea why. I hope someone out there can help me out. Hit E again, boom, it opens. I go to it again, hit E, and it closes. Now, I'm going to run over to this door right here. So this door is actually a duplicate of the first door. I go to it and I hit E, and it whips open, just like in the spinning level. Now I hit it again, and it opens up 90 degrees smoothly, kind of how I want the level to spin. Now, well, from what I understand, what's happening here is it's all going by the settings of the first door right there. So if I want this thing to open up the correct way, I have to go into the blueprint and change the settings within there. I have to do the same thing with each other door. See, there's a door right there, which is also a duplicate. I hit E, and it opens up the wrong way. I seriously just don't know how to do this. Well, I know how to do it. I'm just wondering, is there a way to make it where each door is going to open up 90 degrees, regardless of where it's located, regardless of the original location of the first object, the first mesh. Hopefully someone out there can help me, so that would be great. Thank you very much for watching this.